Let's go back to basics. What is AI and why do you need it in your life and work? We hear about artificial intelligence everywhere these days, but let's cut straight to the real question. Why do you need AI in your life and your work? Think about your day. You wake up, check your phone, scroll through your favorite apps, maybe use a navigation tool to beat the traffic, or shop online for something you've been meaning to buy. Behind the scenes, AI is already helping, recommending what you'll like, guiding your route, even predicting what you might need before you know it yourself. Now let's talk about work. Every job in some way is about solving problems, making decisions, and staying productive. AI is built for exactly that. It can sift through mountains of data in seconds, something that might take us hours or days. It takes care of repetitive tasks, freeing you up for the creative and strategic parts of your job. And it can spark new ideas whether you're writing, designing, teaching, or running a business. Imagine having a digital teammate that's available 24/7, one that helps you work smarter, not harder. That's what AI can be. But here's the bigger picture. Our world is moving fast. New tools, new expectations, new challenges. Without AI, you're running uphill. With AI, you're running with the wind at your back. It's not about replacing what you do. It's about enhancing what you're capable of. That's why William Zain wrote Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. This book isn't just about explaining what AI is. It's about showing you how it fits into your daily life, your career, and your future. It gives you the knowledge and the tools to actually use AI to save time, boost your creativity, and make better decisions. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to understand it. The book is simple, flexible, and practical. Whether you want to dive deep into AI concepts or just get started with tools you can use right away. Picture this. You open your inbox, and instead of drowning in hundreds of emails, AI highlights the ones that truly matter and even drafts smart responses for you. Looking for your next career move? AI can help you discover new opportunities and even give you an edge against the very algorithms that might be filtering out your resume. And when it comes to creativity, AI isn't just about work. You can experiment with generating stunning images, producing videos, or even composing original music, all with tools that are fun, inspiring, and easy to use. It is time to stop just hearing about AI and start benefiting from it in your work and in your everyday life. Grab your copy of Introduction to Artificial Intelligence by William Zain on Amazon. It's your guide to not just keeping up, but getting ahead in the AI-powered world we're living in.